Okay, we've got a Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio now finished. This one has been a multi-stage correction detail. It's had 2 layers of coating. This has got Titan Zeus, then the maintenance product Titan Ultra over the top of that. It's championship red, absolutely stunning colour. It has had the wheels removed, so the wheels have been coated. Wheels have got Titan Pyro on. It's had the brake calipers. It's had a few bits changed on the front as well, so the owner supplied some carbon fibre parts. So the V has been changed, the insert around the badge, and also the wing mirrors. So the wing mirrors are also all carbon fibre. It's also had hyperglass to the windscreen, hyperglass to the rear window, pyro to the exhaust tips. All the trim pieces have been coated, obviously. All ready to go, really. This one's going to be picked up in a little while. It's probably one of the best colours I think I've ever done. It's got so much flake in it. Not sure if again that's going to pick up too well, but it is an absolutely amazing colour. Lots of protection, self-levelling coatings, so it should make maintenance an absolute breeze. One of my favourite ones for quite a while, this one. There you go. If you think I can be of any help with your vehicle, please don't hesitate to get in touch.